sixth part of pairs of equation. I am discussing last question in page number 41. If the length of a rectangle is increased by 5 meter and breadth decreased by 3 meter, area would decrease by 5 square meter. Let us write the equation. We know area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Use the given condition now. When length is increased by 5 meter, what happens? Length becomes L plus 5. And what happens to the breadth? Breadth is decreased by 3 meter. So I wrote B minus 3. Then you are given the condition area would decrease by 5 square meter. So what we have to write? From the area of the rectangle, which is length into breadth, we have to subtract 5 square meter. Is it clear? Length increased by 5 meter, breadth decreased by 3 meter, area decreases by 5 square meter. Okay, now let us write the equation. Length into breadth gives you LB. L multiplied by minus 3 gives you minus 3L. Now multiply 5 with both terms. So you get plus 5 into B plus 5B plus 5 into minus 3 minus 15 is equal to LB minus 5. Now you can understand LB is a common term on both sides. You can cancel LB. And now let us write the equation using L, B and numbers. Okay, so you get minus 3L plus 5B is equal to, keep this minus 5 here, take minus 15 to the other side of the equation, it becomes plus 15. So our first equation is minus 3L plus 5B is equal to 10. Using the second condition given, let us write the second equation. If length is increased by 3 meter, that is L plus 3, and breadth increased by 2 meter. So breadth is also increased, use plus sign. Area would increase by 50 square meter. So our area is length into breadth plus it should be increased by 50 square meter. Again write equation using this. Okay, so you get L into B, LB plus 2 into L, 2L plus 3 into B, 3B plus 6 is equal to LB plus 50. In the same way, let us cancel LB on both sides. So we get the second equation. We get 2L plus 3B is equal to 50 minus 6, which is equal to 44. So 2L plus 3B is equal to 44 is our second equation. Now we have to solve the first and second equation. Now in the first and second equations, the coefficients are different. So what we have to do? Make the coefficients same. So first equation is multiplied by 2. So you get minus 6L plus 10B is equal to 20. Let us name this as our third equation. Let us multiply second equation with 3. Okay. 3 into 2 gives you positive 6L plus 3 3s are 9B is equal to 44 into 3 gives you 132. Let us name this as our fourth equation. Now you can understand the first two terms are the same. So we can add the two equations. If you add the two equations, minus 6L cancels with plus 6L. 10B plus 9B gives you 19B. 132 plus 20 gives you 152. So what is the value of B? B is equal to 152 divided by 19, which gives you 8. 8 into 19 gives you 152. Okay. Now we got the breadth as 8 meter. Now to find the length, what we have to do? Substitute B is equal to 8 in any one of the equation. I am substituting it in the first equation. So that I will get minus 3L plus 5 into 8 is equal to 10. Or otherwise minus 3L plus 40 is equal to 10. That is minus 3L is equal to 10 minus 40. Minus 3L is equal to minus 30. Therefore, L is equal to 30 by 3, which gives you 10. So, our length is going to be 10 meter and breadth 8 meter. Come to the next question, children. This is a worked out example, important question also. Of two squares, sides of the larger are 5 centimeter longer than those of the smaller, and area of the larger is 55 square meter more. What is the length of side of each? We are talking about two squares. Let x be the side of the larger square and y be the side of the smaller square. So using the given condition, we can write side of the larger is equal to 5 more than smaller. So we get x is equal to y plus 5. Otherwise, x, take y to this side, so you get x minus y is equal to 5. Let us name this as our first equation. Use the second condition. Area of the larger is 55 more than the smaller. That is, area of the larger square is equal to 55 more than the area of the smaller square. So from this we get the equation x square minus y square is equal to 55. Now we cannot solve x minus y with x square minus y square. So what we have to do here? X square minus y square is nothing but x plus y into x minus y, which you have studied in 8th standard. This is equal to 55. So we can get x plus y into, we know x minus y value is 5. Let us substitute 5 here, is equal to 55. Next step, x plus y is equal to 55 by 5, which gives you 11. This is your second equation. So now it is easy for us to solve the first and the second equation. Okay. X minus y is equal to 5, and our second equation x plus y is equal to 11. Let us add the two equations. So what do you get? Plus y cancels with minus y. 2x is equal to 11 plus 5, 16. So we got x is equal to 16 by 2, which is equal to 8. Substituting x is equal to 8 in our second equation, you get 8 plus y is equal to 11. So what is the value of y? 11 minus 8, which is equal to 3. So we got the length of the sides of both squares. Come to the next question. Perimeter of a rectangle is 10 meter and area 5 1 by 4 square meter. What are the length of sides? So I took a rectangle for which length is x and breadth is y. Use the given condition. Perimeter is 10. That is 2 into L plus B is equal to 10 meter. Length is x, breadth is y. From this we get x plus y is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 meter. I took that as the first equation. Next condition, area is equal to 5 1 by 4. So what is area? Length into breadth gives you area. So you got xy is equal to area. 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. Now here again you cannot solve x plus y with xy. So we are using a formula which you studied in 8th standard. Next step we can write x minus y the whole square is equal to x plus y the whole square minus 4xy. This is equal to x plus y the whole square. We know x plus y is equal to 5. So we can write 5 square minus 4 into xy. xy is 21 by 4. Now what happens? 4 cancels with 4. So you get 25 minus 21. So you got x minus y the whole square to be equal to 4. From this we can write x minus y is equal to 2 because 4 is nothing but 2 square. This is our second equation. Now very easily you can solve the first and the second equation. Let me write the first equation under the second equation. Now if you add the two equations, y cancels with minus y, 2x is equal to 7 centimeter, which gives you x is equal to 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5 meters. So we can say length is equal to 3.5. To get breadth, we can say breadth y is equal to 5 minus our 3.5, which gives you 1.5 meter. So we got the length as well as breadth of the rectangle. Hope it is clear to you, children. More questions we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.